Staging a bathroom. That's what we're talking about today, and we're getting started right now. Hi, I'm Kim Ward, real estate broker with Horizon Real Estate in beautiful San Diego, California. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and thank you for watching my video today. And if you'd like to be notified of videos upcoming every week, just hit the bell button and don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, and I always love comments or questions. We all have things that we use every day sitting on top of our counter, but when we're getting ready to sell, we want to remove those things. Remember, if it's functional, it shouldn't be sitting out. It should be decorative and pretty and appeal to the buyers. So I'm going to remove all these items. I'm not getting rid of them. I'm just going to put them in the drawer for the seller. And now I need to clean the countertop. I'll do that real quick, and then I'll be putting in the staging items. I wanted to perk up this bathroom a little bit. Instead of having yellow towels, which are fine and functional, I went to Ross and purchased these fun towels for $7 a piece. I also purchased this because it's pretty and it kind of goes with that theme. And I believe you should always have something green in every room. Okay, so that's pretty simple. This part of the bathroom is complete. Now let's go into the area with the shower and the toilet. So as you can imagine, it's not easy to film in a bathroom that's, I don't know, 5 by 6. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you some things that were on the back of the toilet. I already removed a picture, and I also removed the shower curtain that the seller had. And again, they have yellow towels. They have their personal belongings in here. So now let's get ready to stage. Again, I'm not getting rid of the seller's things. I'm just putting them in a drawer. One last thing I'd like to share is we all have trash cans in our bathrooms, and we also have toilet bowl cleaners. Functional, not decorative. Gonna remove it. Again, I picked up some items at Ross. Shower curtain, some more towels, kind of a fun picture to put on the wall, and pretty soap that matches the towels. Now I'm going to install them. This is going to go behind the door where the towel bar is. And since this particular house happens to have another towel bar on top of the shower, I'm going to put a small towel up there just to add a pop of color. Now I need to put the rings on the gray shower curtain. I picked gray because of this decorative item, and I thought it would look nice with that. This is going to take a little while. So I'm putting the last couple of shower curtain rings up. And there we go. Looks kind of pretty so far. Okay, so we'll continue on. So now I'm finishing up with the picture. I had to move the what the previous picture was hung on because it was too high. You'd like all your pictures to be eye level to a 5'6" woman. So that's what I did. And now I'm putting something green in this room, right there in the toilet. And then I have this that I purchased also at Ross, and I think it's pretty color, and I'm gonna put this over here in the bathroom, keeping it simple. So that's how I soft stage my clients' homes, just to make it look a little prettier, a little more inviting, a little bit more neutral for all the buyers. I'm gonna finish showing this to you. Yeah, just little pops of color here and there, you know, just a little something. And now it's ready to go on the market. I hope that was helpful. Like I said, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. And if you want to be notified of my weekly videos, hit the bell button. See you on the next one. Almost drove it down. Okay. Nobody wants to look at soaps and what do you call that? And we also have, oh, that's what it's called. I hope that, my hair's sticking up. Ashley, you can fast forward that. Not very interesting.